What are conditional sentences in English? A conditional sentence lets us say that one thing depends on another. We can use it to talk about real or imaginary things. These sentences are formed by two clauses. The first clause, the conditional clause, starts with if, or a similar word like unless or when, and has the condition. The second clause, the main statement, is the result of the condition. There are 4 types of conditionals. Let's see how they work. Zero conditional. We use this conditional to talk about facts. Both in the first and second clause, the verb goes in the present tense. The formula is if plus sentence in present tense plus comma plus sentence in present tense. If you heat the water at 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. First conditional. We use this conditional to refer to a future situation we think is possible. In this case, the conditional clause goes in the present tense, and the main sentence goes in simple future, like this: if plus the sentence in present tense plus comma plus sentence in future tense. If you study for your exam, you are going to get a good result. Second conditional. We use this conditional to talk about an unlikely or unreal situation. The structure of this type of sentence includes simple past tense, the conditional clause, and the main sentence, or the result is conforming to a modal and infinitive verb. If plus past simple plus comma plus would or another modal verb plus infinitive. If we had the opportunity to travel more, I would not complain. Third conditional. We use this conditional to talk about an imaginary situation that did not happen. The conditional clause should be in the past perfect, and the resulting clause goes with the modal verb would, followed by a present perfect sentence, like this: if plus past perfect sentence plus comma plus would plus present perfect sentence. If they had paid attention in class, they would have passed the exam. Learn more by subscribing to our channel.
GCF Aprende Libre, creando oportunidades para una vida mejor.